Alright adventurers, big twist on today's episode. Buckle up because we've got a wild ride to share. So what do you do when your 15-day dream European cruise that you've been planning for over a month gets, well, canceled?
Let's just say not every adventure goes as planned, but we're going to show you how we turned lemons into tulips. And yes, I do mean literal tulips. Picture this, we're 1 week away from boarding the epic Royal Caribbean cruise of a lifetime. We've got our bags packed, kids are hyped, the works. Then, dun dun dun, we get the dreaded email.
Royal Caribbean needs all of your travel documents uploaded. You've sent them everything weeks ago, right? But guess what? Turns out everyone over the age of 12 needed to be vaccinated. And we're like, wait, what? Yeah, and with 1 week to spare, Eden turned 12 and hadn't got vaccinated. So we had two options, cancel the cruise or leave her behind for 2.5 months.
Yeah, no way. Not leaving any of our kiddos behind.
We couldn't find clothes that matched our vibe, so we made them.
Now people stop us and say, where did you get that shirt?
We smile and say upbeatoutfits.com.
You want to match the vibe? You know where to go.
Click the link below and check it out.
So, goodbye cruise. But hey, what's the next best thing?
Europe. You know us. We're not ones to back down from an adventure. So we pivoted. We booked flights to Amsterdam, leaving the exact same day we were supposed to be on the cruise. But first, we had a quick layover in Casablanca, because why not?
Right? Why not throw in a little Morocco detour for good measure? But after the layover, it was straight to Amsterdam. "14 hours later, kids are buzzing, tired, but ready to hit the streets. And then the train ride and the 45-minute walk from the train station to our Airbnb with all our luggage.
Totally. But we made it, and the kids were so ready for bed. And what do? We start planning our next move, because there's no way we're wasting time.
We had the cutest Airbnb and the nicest host ever. Two weeks on the cruise turned into 2 extra weeks in Europe. And guess what? We were right in time for the Dutch tulip season. We had tried to figure out a way after the cruise to make it over there, but it just wasn't going to happen.
Can you believe it? We finally got to see the tulips we'd been dreaming about for years. We even got to ride the bikes through the endless fields of vibrant colors. And yes, we made the kids take 1,000,000 pictures.
Yeah. And while they were posing with every flower, we also got to see a windmill. And wait for it, we rode all the way to the beach. We enjoyed the sand for a bit, but then came the rain. So we took refuge in a cozy little restaurant right there on the beach and drank hot chocolate instead.
Let me tell you, different countries, different food. We quickly realized, yep, we're definitely not in America anymore. But hey, they had hamburgers, of course. We also visited the grocery store for a quick trip, and that was fun. I may not have recognized a lot of the food in there, but I recognized these meatballs.
We had the best surprise when our host invited us to join her family for King's Day celebration. The entire country dresses in orange, and there's music, dancing, and a gigantic garage sale on every driveway.
It was the biggest flea market ever. The girls found all kinds of things to buy, and they even got to play on fire trucks with real firefighters. Play water games, and rode on a big swing ride. Can you say Dutch adventure?
After the festivities, we took part in something super special, cleaning up the canals of Amsterdam. It was a big community effort and such a meaningful way to give back while exploring. Our Airbnb host organizes the whole thing every year and asked if we'd like to join.
You know us, always making things fun, and after a morning of canal cleaning, we refueled with a killer breakfast at Pancakes Amsterdam, Eden's favorite food. I think she was powered by pancakes for the rest of the day. After getting fueled up, we were off to explore. We stopped by and saw the Anne Frank house. Sadly, the tours were all full that day, but we got to sit outside and teach our kids all about what she went through. Very enlightening.
Rain, rain, and more rain. It's a good thing we're seasoned travelers because we knew how to handle April showers. We got rain gear, braved the wet streets, and soaked up the city.
You wouldn't believe how many bikes are in Amsterdam. At every train station, there's a huge area just for bikes. And then good luck trying to find it once you come back. It's like, where's Waldo? Of course, we had to hit up the cheese company. It's a must-do. I mean, cheese makes everything better, right?
And let's not forget our all-time favorite dinner spot, the Hard Rock Cafe. We tried the scavenger hunt through the city. And totally got lost. But hey, we stumbled upon some incredible art at Rembrandt's Amsterdam. And then after all of that, we hit the Moco Art Museum. And had a blast with the statues outside.
The girls were going wild with poses. I think they found their true calling as professional statues. But that's the fun part, getting lost and finding the unexpected.
Like the cutest little park we ran into. It was packed with people and flowers. Absolutely beautiful. Also, Kylie found some new shoes, although I think they may be a little big on her. What do you think? Through all of this, what really stood out was how smooth everything was. The trains were on point. The city was so organized. I mean, if you're late, you missed it. But that's what makes it even more exciting. Europe has its own rhythm, and we're so glad we got to experience it. And the bathrooms, floor to ceiling doors. Nicely done.
Yep, and after all the biking, walking, and rainstorms, we're more connected to this adventure than ever. Life's unpredictable, but that's what makes it so incredible.
Every moment, every twist, it's all part of the journey. From canceled cruises to tulips to King's Day, this trip turned out to be everything we never knew we needed.
To the unexpected adventures and the memories we'll always cherish, keep embracing the extraordinary, guys.
Thanks for following along with us, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you want more adventures like this. Escape the ordinary and embrace the extraordinary. Adventurepreneurs out.